Hey love, so I'm starting off by showing you all the goodies that I received in my package. This hair is from Wiggins Hair. I received their 32-inch 13 by 4 loose deep wave wig, and I'm just showing you the inside. So now we're about to start applying the wig. So guys, I'm showing you start by start how I applied this wig. First, I slicked down my baby hairs because I don't know about y'all, but my baby hairs are a little wild, as you can see. I used the ORS I think it's called Sprits Gel. All the products that I will be using are going to be linked down below. And after I slick my baby hairs down, that's when I go ahead to proceed to do the ball cap method. I always use a nude cap, and to slick put the ball cap down, I use the Got2b Spray. I just spray it on my hairline kind of close, because if you spray it far away, it's going to spray everywhere. So I do it kind of close and just use my fingers to rub it in the spots, and then I go ahead and blow dry it. You always want to make sure this is going to be completely dry before you cut off the excess cap. I always want to make sure that it's extra tacked down on the ear tabs, because those will lift up fast if you don't make sure they're extra secure. So now I'm just taking my eyebrow scissors to cut the excess lace off. I like using this because it allows me to get as close to the cap as possible without cutting myself. So that is a plus. You guys should definitely go get these. Now once the ball cap is complete, you cut all the excess lace. Now you want to go ahead and try on the wig. So guys, I did have a problem with this wig. It was too small, so I had to do a lot of finessing, a lot of cutting, which I'm going to explain later on in the video. But right now I'm going in with my Bold Hold active glue. I normally use 3 to 4 layers, but here I just did 2 because I knew that the wig wasn't going to last that long. So I just did 2, and I'm just smoothing it out with my little stick. Y'all, I'm sorry if I sound sick. I'm sick right now, but you know, gotta keep it going, gotta keep working, had to get this video out. So yeah, but yeah, so now we're gonna just lay the lace in the glue. Y'all see me put on wigs so many times, but I don't think I ever showed you guys how I do it, so from start to finish. But yeah, girl, we're just gonna lay that lace in the glue. And I did want to mention, this is brown lace. I really have problems with brown lace. Brown lace is really too dark for me, so it's a no for me with the brown lace. Okay guys, so sorry for the echo, I'm in my bathroom. But yeah, so I left the elastic band on for 10 minutes. This wig was girl, I had to finesse this wig because it was really too small on my head. I had to cut, but y'all, cut in the wig on each side. This part is ripped because when I was trying to pull it, child. But it's on, child, it's on. Luckily, because they got this straps, all I gotta do is just tighten the strap, and then it's kind of gonna close the gap that I cut. But girl, we did it, okay? We did it, Joe. We did it. So now we're about to go ahead and cut the lace, lay the baby hairs. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. Y'all, this hair is so freaking long. So long, so full. It is shedding a lot though. I'm not even gonna cap. I don't even know if it's because the plucking, cause it's so much hair that I really didn't comb, brush through everything, the whole wig. I'm gonna do that when it's wet. So I don't know, it's this leftover hair from me plucking. But y'all, ooh, 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 yes. So I wish I could do like a, see if this wig fit, baby, I could have been doing so many different styles with it, but it don't fucking fit right. So I think I'm just gonna have to do a middle part, child. Let's get to it. So when I cut my lace, I always cut it into sections, and then I go ahead and cut the excess lace off with a razor. I love using a razor because it just makes the lace kind of ragged, and it makes the hairline more natural looking. If you use scissors, it can tend to make it like a blunt cut. And now I'm going in with my tweezers, and I'm just plucking some hair because I just felt like certain areas needed to be plucked some more. And now, like I said, I ended up doing a middle part because I just felt like since the wig didn't fit properly, this was the only style that would like hide the lifting. So I'm going to show you guys how I prep for my parts. I always take a blow dryer and use a comb attachment, and I'll blow dry the hair, just because you know how sometimes the hair doesn't lay in the direction that you want it. So this is a good tip to just blow dry your part out so your hair can lay. And also go ahead and use that hot comb. Y'all know you cannot lay a wig. I don't care what you say, you cannot lay a wig without a hot comb. You need a hot comb, sis. Go get a hot comb. So I'm just pressing out my part, and I did use some heat protectant spray before I start pressing it out because I forgot my wax stick, so that's the only thing I had really. So now we better go ahead and get these baby hairs prepped. I always just take out like a thin section in the front for the baby hairs, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie an elastic band down just so I can make sure they're pressed in the direction that I want. And this also like further lays your wig, like I'm telling you, sis. Oh, and before I lay the elastic band down, I use some holding spray, and it's gonna get it right. It's gonna get it right. Watch. Now it's time to cut the baby hairs, and of course I'm going back in with that razor. I do not use scissors, guys. The razors is your best friend, I promise you. But yeah, so I'm going to cut them down to the desired length. I always cut in like an angle because when you're swooping it, it's kind of like, it just helps the swoop better. I don't know how to explain it, but and to do the baby hairs, I'm using wet line gel. I just start using this, and I've been loving like how the baby hairs are looking. So yeah, but yeah, I tried to do this new baby hairstyle like I seen Eric and Tay doing Jada. So I think it came out pretty cool. Like it came out pretty cute. So yeah, guys, just go ahead and see me swoop these baby hairs. So after I'm done my baby hairs, I like to take 2 rapid strips to tie it down and make sure it's nice and secure. And I do leave the rapid strips on for the remainder of the installation process. So now we're about to go ahead and detangle this hair. Do you guys see this hair? Like this hair was so beautiful and big, and really once I detangled it, it was so soft when I just ran my hands through it. Like I'm in love with this hair. I'm really just so upset that it didn't fit, but it's okay, whatever. We made it work. But now after we detangle it, I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it down with some water. I'm going back in with my hot comb because I love my hair to be really flat. But yes, y'all, look at this hair. That hair look beautiful, and that was completely dry. So now we're just going to go ahead and reactivate the curls with some water. And I also... Okay guys, so this is the finished results of the hair. I think it came out so freaking cute. I love this like new baby hairstyle I tried because I seen Eric. This how he kind of do Jada baby hairs to kind of like mimic her real baby hairs. But I like it. It's so cute. Kind of past my butt. Like if I stretch it, it's past my butt, sweetie. But yeah, this is the results. The hair is like probably like 75% dry right now, and the more it dries, the bigger it gets. I love that because I love big hair. The wig was too small, but I just went in here and put some more glue and just tried to like tack it down real quick. But other than that, I really love this hair. It is so soft, like so soft. I was experiencing shedding, but like I said, I don't know if that's because I really didn't brush the hair before I installed it. So I don't know if that was like from the plucking or what. But yeah, I was experiencing some shedding. Once I detangled it, it was good. Like I said, it's really soft. I feel like this hair is gonna be really manageable because it is. I believe it's loose deep wave, but like always, all the information on the hair will be down below. I want to thank Wiggins Hair again for sending me over this bomb wig, y'all. This is my first time trying out 32-inch, and I'm just in love with it. This is definitely not about to be my last time because, child, I feel like a bad bitch, okay? Like, this is bad bitch hair, period. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below. Love you all like always, and I see you in my next video.